Hi, I'm Cliff Williams of Milton Martin Toyota in Gainesville, Georgia. Today I want to go over the 2014 lineup on the new 2014 Camrys. I do want to mention one thing to you this year. They have come out with a SE Sport model. I'll tell you a little bit more about that in a few minutes. I want to go around the car and I want to mention a few things to you about safety, convenience, reliability, dependability, things of that nature for you. I will tell you on the lineup this year on the Camrys, we have 9 trim levels that go from a LE, which is your base model, so if you're into economy, you don't like a lot of the doodads and all, you can stay with the LE model, still give you a lot of comfort and convenience for you and great fuel mileage for you. Also, you'll have the L model, which is your base model. You have your LE model. You have a LE hybrid model. If you're into the hybrids and far saving a lot of fuel mileage for you. You have an XLE model. You have the SE model. You have the SE Sport. You got the XLE that comes in a V6 as well as a 4-cylinder, and you also have an XLE on the hybrid model for you. Look under the hood here in just a few minutes and show you things about the engines on as far as fuel economy and all. Very important to a lot of people. The 2.5 liter 4-cylinder engine on the Camrys. You're going to maximize city mileage of 25 miles a gallon, highway 35 for a combination of around 30 miles per gallon for you. 2.5 liter horsepower is very good on these cars. You get 178 horsepower on the 4-cylinders. I want to mention a few things in the front and the back for safety for you. And that's going to be the crumple zones on the Camrys. It works sort of like an accordion. You got tailor-made blanks inside here every so often. You get hit from the front end. It actually lessens that impact for you, and hopefully keeps the engine off from coming inside the car and doing any kind of damage to you. Some of the aerodynamics on the Camry this year, they have what's called vortex generators in the front and the rear of the car. It actually streamlines through the air for you, to maximize your fuel mileage for you, and give you the best fuel mileage possible for you. Mention a little bit for you about comfort in the car. Sound's a big thing for a lot of people. They have all acoustic glass inside the car for you to get as quiet a ride as possible. We have McPherson liquid-filled shocks for you to get the smoothest ride on the road for you. The SE Sport model here versus cloth interior. You can get the Softex trim on the sides of the seats here for you. You also get a 6-way power adjustable seat for you, so maximize your comfort for you, including power lumbar for you. Technology-minded people, you got the 6.1-inch touchscreen stereo system. It comes, if you like, as far as different accessories, you can get navigation and tune added to the cars if you'd like for you. On the steering column here is a leather-wrapped steering wheel. Also, you notice the dash is all leather-wrapped stitching on the dash for you, but this is all hands-free here for you. It makes it easy for you. You got your Bluetooth for your phone to keep your eye on the road for you. All your stereo controls and everything is mounted on your steering column here for you. So everything is designed to keep your eyes on the road and hopefully for safety features. Tell you a little bit about safety. Toyota has a Star Safety System. It's a 6-point braking system on all the cars. Takes care of analog brakes, takes care of brake assist. You got vehicle stability control. You got analog brakes. You got electronic brake force distribution, which actually puts brake on all 4 wheels for you. And also you have the Smart Stop technology for you. All this is designed for you. If you need to stop, you're going to be assured your car is going to stop for you. Come on around the car a little bit. Car goes facing the back. Another thing for us convenience for you. You got 15.4 cubic feet. Car goes facing back. Also notice you got soundproof materials inside your trunk as well. Everything is designed to give you the quietest ride as possible for you. I do want to mention one other thing here for you right quick, and that's going to be the Toyota Care. Come around the side here. Very important. It's a prepaid maintenance for you. It's 2 years, 25,000 miles. Free oil changes, free tire rotations, and you'll have a scheduled maintenance on the car every 5,000 miles. All that's free of charge for you. Also, you get a 2-year, 25,000 mile comprehensive roadside assistance for you. Run out of gas, need a jump start, whatever, everything's available for you. I want to invite you to look on our website, it's MiltonMartinToyota.com. We've got pictures of all the 9 lineups on the Camrys for you, different option packages and all available for you. Or give me a call, Cliff Williams, Milton Martin Toyota, 770-532-4355. Thank you.